in UK, in Tasmania.
Jadi tunggulah.
Lighting cantik tu. Gambar. Okay. So we just checked out from Legana Launceston. So we are on the way to
Cradle Mountain.
Wih, cantik weh. Dia macam ada awan kat kapet tu. Aku tak nampak tu. Silau. Baik tu. Kita di mana?
Kita di Sheffield.
Sheffield.
Tapi kan Sheffield UK, Sheffield Tassie.
Ya, semua tempat kat sini semua ada nama dia dekat UK.
Betul.
Ada kat sini. Contohnya Launceston,
Warwick,
Ipswich, Sheffield?
Sheffield.
Sheffield. Georgetown, Malaysia.
Ya, Tanah Merah.
Tanah Merah? Kita Bendung kan? Okay.
Cik Razin.
So far okay.
Okay.
That's not me.
There's no
Another Razin
There's another Razin.
I'm just a student.
Yeah, student Wow. Okay guys, so kita rehat sekejap, berhenti toilet break di Sheffield. Cantik lah. This is like a small town. Dan kalau tengok kat belakang ni dia macam ada gallery, art gallery. Belakang tu macam pokok. Tu ada taman. View dia sangat lawa lah guys. Kat belakang ni macam ada kedai-kedai. Yeah. Small town but good. Tak tahu lah, tengok lah. Nanti kalau banyak duit, insyaAllah kita pencet kat sini kot. Tengoklah macam mana. Okay, let's go back to our main place, Cradle Mountain. Let's go. Di mana?
Cradle Valley. Overview.
Valley.
So yeah, we are
At
visitor center, 6
dekat
kilometers.
bawah lagi tu sini.
So we are planning on going to
Yeah,
Ah.
Dublin.
Dove Lake.
Dublin.
We gotta see Glacier Rock and
Boat
also
Shack.
Boat Shack. Or maybe we have a chance to see Honeymoon Island.
Wow, you want to honeymoon?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Jom. Angin je. Jumpa lagi salji guys. Wow. Comel. Wow. So how you process the brochure?
So basically, people usually read the brochure
Yeah.
one by one.
Okay.
But for me, no. I just open the brochure
Brochure and
and then
You
try
skip through it?
to
Wow.
insert it inside my head.
Oh my God!
It's a unique way for some. Penting ni.
Penting. Why?
Okay, no, that. You see?
Okay, it's
Because of
good.
that, the pass has been dropped.
Damn.
Cradle Mountain. Cradle Mountain.
Cuit.
Okay.
Hello everyone, so today we are at Cradle Mountain.
Okay. Okay. Tekan nak squeeze.
Twice to kill.
People being.
Split. Hah? Oh. Okay, dia macam ni. Perut ah. Macam tu cuci kasut. Dia untuk kat kasut ni.
Merah. Merah.
Sorry lah guys, rambut memang tak boleh nak buat apa. Ikut arah angin.
Yeah.
Cantik guys. apa kan? Tapi ada nampak kan? Dia kita tak nampak tapi
Tapi
nampak. Ada. Aku nampak. Oh okey, nampak. Iwan ada nampak. Oh, Jesus, sempat siap esok duduk Kelantan.
Hello everyone. So right now we are at Cradle Mountain, and as see as this is
Behind here. Tu. Nampak.
beautiful. Kata cerita ada.
Oh, cantik and so.
Anyone?
And the weather is good.
That one is actually ciptaan Allah yang cantik. Ni ciptaan Allah yang
Yeah, I've seen it on the TV, but circle around.
So ni Let's tengok kat TikTok. Tak tahu dah berdepan depan mata. So dia rasa macam mana, tak tahu nak kata apalah. Pelik siap. Weh, ni dalam boot shit tadi tu. What the heck? Damn. Wow. Okay, so
Hello everyone. So right now we're actually in North Lake. Yes,
Yeah.
North Lake. So right now we are taking a lot of pictures. And yeah, as you can see, let me move a bit. As you can see, there's a beautiful mountain over there.
wow.
It's actually covered by the snow.
Yes.
It
No.
is red because I see this a lot in pictures from the Google. So this you can see with my
Yeah.
yeah, and it's combined with these beautiful lakes. So it's actually captured the beauty of the nature created by God. Okay, so it's really beautiful, mashallah.
MashaAllah.
And also, as you can see at the mountain, it's also covered by the cloud. Really
Yes.
beautiful.
Very beautiful. Oh my god. Yeah, good.
And also, this one is also beautiful.
God's creation.
Creation. Yellow. Red nose. Wah. Ni kena masuk ni. Naik kan? Weh, comel je. Ya Allah. Weh. Kau benda nak bagi makan apa? Tak tahu kau awak makan apa. Alamak, dia datang nak makanan. Kita tak ada makanan.
Makanan ni korang fake
Ini. Welcome Wahid family. Wahid. Imran. Let's go. Sakit dadaku, Nura merindu, bayangkan jika kamu tidur di sampingku di malam yang sunyi, pejamkan mataku, ku bayangkan semua jika di pelukanku. Apa lagi?
Nak cerita apa?
Lord of the Ring. Oi. Oh, gila.
Ni best.
Sekian kamu. Okay guys, so kita dah sampai dekat the accommodation AAA Granary dekat Promised Land area dekat dengan Cradle Mountain. So sekarang kita nak buat room tour. I mean house tour sebab rumah dia besar gila. Okay, macam korang tengok ni pintu depan. Kita masuk je kita dah ada nampak sinki. Sinki untuk hand wash kot. Tak betul ni ada macam laundry detergent. Lepas tu kita ada mesin basuh. Dryer guys. Dryer guys. Jarang-jarang nak bagi dryer. Kita ada sampah. Lepas tu kita ada Nopal baru keluar daripada toilet. Tengok sikit toilet dia macam mana. Beg depan, beg kau. Sekejap, kita tutup dulu pintu. Dia memang nampak macam magical shop sikit. Tapi tak apa. Wow, cantik dia toilet dia. Okay, ni toilet dia. Ada toilet bowl, ada husi. Yes. Kan sinki, mandi, shower, ni cermin. Okay, biasalah toilet kan. Oh, tengok. Toilet paper, stok. Duduk sehari tapi stok macam sebulan. Okay, tak apa. Kita straight je daripada toilet ni. Kita akan masuk ke dalam master bedroom. Okay. So, kalau tak ada.
This is my room.
Okay. So, mana? Okay. Tak, mula kita tengok view dulu. Actually, dia punya tingkap ni.
Pagi selawar.
Kalau ni, tengok betul-betul depan tu, sorry flash. Tapi, betul-betul depan tu ada mountain tau. Macam kita memang betul-betul menghadap ke mountain. Bangun pagi, ada katil, tengok mountain kat situ. Yeah, boy. Okay, macam ni macam kau tahu tak? Macam rumah ni kita duduk 5 orang je. Tapi katil dia kalau ikutkan tadi tu ada boleh duduk 2 orang. Bilik ni boleh duduk 3 orang. Bilik ni boleh duduk 3 orang. So total berapa orang? 8. Lah 8. Okay, 8. Semua bilik lengkap dengan lampu ada, almari ada, heater. Setiap bilik ada heater guys. Lepas tu dia punya heater blanket guys. Dia ada heater blanket juga guys.
Ini paling
ini guys. Mana nak dapat bukan beli, sewa ni dapat heater blanket sekali. Kan. Ni okey, cermin. Okey, tak apa. Okey, macam ni bilik ni kita nak ingat nak kosongkan bilik ni. Bilik ni tak tahu sebab terlalu ada orang. Hello?
Siapa kunci tu?
Tak apa, nanti dulu. Okay. Okay, so bilik ni 3 orang lah. So ni almari. View the best weh. Kau tengok ni. Sorry lah flash. Okay. Tapi ya ni tu. Mountain map belakang tu. Heater. Don't say more. Ada. Ni heater blanket semua katil ada. Okay. Semua katil ada. Kita tu dia punya ruang tamu dululah. Sekarang ni dah pasang heater lah guys. So memang panas gila. Which is memang comfy lah. Nak tidur orang tamu pun boleh kan Opal kan? Boleh. Aku rasa di selimut ni, katil ni boleh jadi katil aku juga ni kat sini ni. Okay. Yang bestnya guys, kan dia punya tak tahulah, dia macam random ke tapi memang random semua random lah. Tengok video kaset lagi bye. Ni benda tu.
benda tu. Menarik kan?
Dia benda ni. Hoi. Kak.
Garung geng.
Dan. Okay, bismillah. Wow. Tak apa.
Dah maju tu.
Damn. Guys, dia ada semua CD cerita-cerita lama ni. Semua boleh tengok guys. Ni ada tea guys.
Rasa puteri ada tu.
Oh, wow. Damn. Tengok ni. Boleh main guys. Ada 2 pula tu kat dia. Uno pun ada. Okay. Buku-buku. Siapa banyak baca buku? Tak ada. Apa ni? Aku rasa ni semua ni macam brochure. Okay. Okay, apa? Okay guys, yang penting dia smart TV guys. Tu je. Smart TV. Kau fikir rumah-rumah macam kayu-kayu macam ni tak ada smart TV ke? Smart TV guys. Okay. So macam ni biasalah. Sofa pun banyak. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sofa. Okay. Luar. Tak apa. Ada dapur dulu. Okay, so ni heater guys. So memang macam heater ni panas doh. Okay, meja makan guys. Aku tak rasa rumah ni duduk 5 orang je tu. Memang kalau so sekarang kita pergi ke dapur pula. Okay, Nopal boleh explain ke pasal dapur dia ni?
Okay, dapur kita ada banyak appliance.
Ya.
Jadi dia punya oven
Okay, oven.
Okay,
oven dia.
Oh, ada ni.
Oven. Oh, ada 2 oven.
Oven.
Oh, wow.
Dia punya ni.
Dia punya apa ni? Oh, boleh masak guys. Boleh masak guys. Macam mana? Tengok ni, semua benda dah lengkap dah guys. Makanan. Okay, bawah ni ada apa? Okay, bawah ni tak ada apa-apa. Okay. Guys, coffee maker. Guys, Tak pernah-pernah aku sewa duduk hotel ada coffee maker. Cuba bagi tahu. Itu macam microwave ala microwave standard lah. Ni guys. Sandwich maker.
Sandwich maker ni.
Wafer. Oh boleh. Semua boleh lah. Okey. Tengok lagi. Rice cooker guys. Rice cooker. Oh my god. Sini semua pinggan, mangkuk standard. Roti. Ni air. Lantak boleh. Semua boleh. Ni sudu garpu ada. Weh, ini dah macam rumah orang duduk lah ni. Dia
Kita sambung ni seorang tu.
aduh lah.
Ni macam bedroom. Apa visiting
Apa ni?
college ni lah.
Okey.
Sebelum ni yang pernah
Okey.
ni tengok dia komen dia tulis.
Oh,
Sama gila.
dia macam family ni.
Family.
Kita dah family semua bagi bagus.
Nanti tulis
2015.
Nanti kita tulis Wahid family.
Wahid family.
Wahid family. Have a really great time here.
Come on lah. Tak, sebab memang best lah. Memang lengkap lah tempat-tempat dia ni. Good lah. Okay, sinki macam biasa. Cantik. Apa ni? Ni apa? Adalah barang dia kat situ. Okay. Peti ais standard lah. Okay, luar ada apa guys? Okay.
Sejuknya mat, astagfirullah.
Luar sejuk tapi tak apa. Kita nak demi konten. Okay, dia gelap guys. So kita kena tu sikit.
Kat sini kita boleh tengok ada barbecue kan?
Barbecue.
Barbecue pun ada kalau grill boleh kan? Ni kan ada sofa.
Dia macam memang semua nak kau minta ada je. Nak buat barbecue tiba-tiba. Nak masak sandwich, nak apa-apa. Apa buat je. Barbecue night ni tengoklah view tu, ni duduk makan barbecue sambil tengok gunung. Ni kan kalau macam tak cloudy sangat nampak bintang pula apa. Ya memang lawa lah.
Okay,
Sekejap.
luar ni boleh tidur kat kalau mengajuk dengan bini kan. Bini syuting luar.
Tidur sini. Boleh. Semua ada. Tengok luar tu ada meja. Tak tahu kenapa meja tiba-tiba ada satu kat situ. Tapi tak apa. Itu memang untuk luar lah. Tapi tengok luar pun dah luas dah kan. Luar-luar tu kan macam ada donkey kan. Tadi aku dah tunjuk tadi. Video ni tu kita rangkumkan je. Okay, so pintu yang ni. Okay. So sini lah dia punya tu. Dia tu keluar ke sini dia dah boleh turun. Dia turun. Okey, turun ke sini. Dia sambung je ke belakang tu. Dia sambung ke yang belakang yang BBQ tadi tu. So nampaklah dia. Weh. Tu. Ada haiwan. Tak tahu benda. Tapi macam wallaby ke apa? Tak tahu. Sekejap. Aku tak nampak. Dia kalau zoom pun gelap. Okey. Assalamualaikum. Nak raya boleh? Selamat datang. So okay dah. So itu saja nak merangkumkan kita punya Airbnb. So for your information, kita punya Airbnb nama dia AAA Granary. Okay. Bye. Cakap bye.
Bye. Ayolah, dia je member aku dah.
Anda ditangkap. Ditangkap. Tolong menyerah ke hands up. Yeah boy. Hands up. Bella. Gabriel.
Hands up, Gabriella.
Hello everyone, so right now we are at Coles. Actually sebab malam ni kita nak masak sendiri. Since tadi Nas dah tunjuk kita punya house tour. Okay, so since kita boleh masak everything, so I think kita nak masak. So menu ni actually kita nak buat spaghetti carbonara tu.
Macam carbonara tadi yang Razi cakap tadi senang. Tapi tak tahu kita tengok dulu macam mana. So kita macam tengah survey apa-apa meat halal. Okay.
So sekarang ni kita kat section halal Coles. So tengah fikir sama ada nak ambil kambing ni RM24 kita masak which is
Bukan $24 ni. Ini bah.
Oh really? Oh.
Yeah. That is super per kilogram man.
Nama kan?
Spaghetti guys, spaghetti. Tengah samuk kan, tengah samuk.
Satu.
Satu. Oh, tengah samuk.
So, kita dah basuh dia dengan air tanah. Sekarang kita basuh dia dengan air mutlak 6 kali.
6 kali
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okey, dah boleh guna.
Apa nak guna benda ni?
Okey, tunjuk potong.
Oh ni kulit tu.
Okey, buka kulit.
Kulit tu.
Angin sampai ni.
Wow. Ini lagi halal lah, bukan lagi babi lah.
InsyaAllah kot.
Dah, betul. Tengok daging. Cakap.
Tak kira ke bawah.
Terbalik.
Balik. Oh, dia melintang. Oh, sama je.
Stabil sikit.
Tapi Kelantan.
Oh, Kelantan. Okay.
Boleh Kelantan tu.
Okay, tengok.
Boleh tanah merah tu. Dah sikit.
Sikit dah.
Don't need to drag it, bro.
Tengok apa Nas?
Saya tengah nak goreng.
Goreng eh?
Bukan, dia macam tu.
Panaskan?
Sangai-sangai lah. Sangai-sangai. Kita ada macam ni, allspice ground ni. So, rempah ni kita boleh masak dengan daging.
Okay.
Lepas tu kita ada barbecue sauce ni, so kita berpandai kita seasonkan ni.
Faham.
Medium rare lah, yes. Well done. Hey, stay good.
Still good. So apa nama masakan ni? Which is called as
Apa tu?
apa dah tadi?
Chef lupa resipi sendiri.
Makan. Okay, so orang pertama ambil adalah macam biasalah.
Apa yang depan? Batu makan.
Yes. Orang paling depan batu makan. Nampak macam lapar eh? Tak pandang kamera, pandang makanan je. Tak apa, kita faham. Fazil, okey Fazil?
Okay, sampai bro.
Okay apa apa, chef kita.
Ni kau bersorang?
Tengok tu.
3 lah 3. Sampai ambil kecil-kecil lah dulu bagi aku besar-besar.
Okay guys, so actually sekarang pukul 7 in the morning. So kita ingat bangun pagi ni kita nak show off view belakang lah, view belakang rumah. Nak tengok tengok kejap Okay. Okay, terbalik. Wih, oh my god. Tu dia. Ada donkey.
Kau tengok. Kau dia kenapa?
Kuda. Tengok view dia apa? View gunung guys. Ada ayam. Ayam mana ni? Oi, sedap kau ni. Tangkap, buat masak merah. Dak ah. Weh, cantiknya ya Allah. Tak literally kita tengok daripada sini ada view gunung. Sampai ke sini pun gunung lagi. Tiba-tiba ada haiwan.
Bapak
Weh, sunrise kat situ ke? Weh, gila sunrise kat situ ah.
Ya, salah kat situ.
Cantik lah.
Tak fully keluar lagi tu.
Tak pernah naik lagi tu.
Takut aku.
23 degrees guys. Memang kat luar ni memang sejuk lah. And feels like dia -1. So macam tu lah. Macam sejuknya. Aku dah lah tak pakai apa-apa dalam tangan. Memang bad. Sejuknya. Sorry lah kalau getar-getar. Punya tangan pun getar-getar je. Kita ada mini zoo kat belakang kita punya hotel. Lah tak tengok pun. Kita punya bilik. Azrin, ya. So belakang rumah kita ada zoo.
Ya.
Kalau nak bagi makanan ni sampai tanduk ni.
Habis tu Edward. Tak ada makanan habis.
Actually the best thing lah dekat hotel macam Airbnb ni. Kau duduk orang tamu ni, Panas bai. Sumpah panas. Literally kan. Aku boleh
Malaysia tu.
Ya, kau boleh tidur lah kat sofa ni.
Oh,
Sumpah.
biasanya sejuk sofa ni.
Sejuk kan. Aku rasa panas tau. Aku rasa kalau aku dah macam semalam aku dah tengok semua orang semua macam dah masuk aku macam main phone lagi kan. Maksud nak tidur macam boleh dah ngantuk kan boleh tidur kat atas ni. Asal aku nak tidur atas sofa je. Kau tak sumpah heater tu function lah. Mana heater? Heater ni function. Apa kena beli dah. Berapa dah heater ni? Berapa ratus, berapa ribu? Air syak. Gila lah. Tengok dia buat kering guys. Pakai depan heater. Tengok semua benda kita boleh buat kan. Kita buat dia buat kita.
Bayar dia.
Okay, so nak check out dah. Okay, good Granavi. Thank you very much. Okay, bye. Okay.
Toothless. How to train with dragon.
To train your dragon. Oh, dah tu dah.
lah. Here.
Ding ding.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Nanti tunggulah tahun depan ke. Nanti kita datang balik kot. InsyaAllah.
Shabbat.
Pedro guys, say hello to Pedro.
This is Pedro.
Pedro.
Rakun.
Bulu dia rasa macam yang dekat sofa.
Di sofa.
Macam kuda gaan kurang.
Enough, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually good.
They never had that policy in Malaysia, did they? Cucu, dua anak cukup.
No.
Hello everyone, so right now we are in a small town called as Sheffield.
Sheffield. Yep. But not in UK, in Tasmania.
Actually, this is
No, we're in UK actually.
So when you
We're in UK.
We're in
We're
UK.
in UK.
Look at weather. It's
actually this is
By the way,
called
it's not-
as a artistic town.
Yeah.
Artistic small town. As you can see, this one actually the building is
Gelap
established
tapi tak
from
apalah.
1883.
Gelap. Okay.
Right now as used as a IGA.
Yeah.
And as you can see, this town is actually like a cowboy town.
Yeah. You can see back again. You can see that the town is really like
Ui, duduk macam tu.
secluded.
You can see more murals over there like that.
Yeah, it's really a lot of mural over here. So dia macam kawasan berseni lah. Weh, terang sangat. Yep. Okay. Tu dah.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah, I'm taking a video.
So right now, we're just having an huge experience. We're taking a picture with an alpaca called Pedro. But give me a huge shock because the alpaca is in brown color. Usually I saw alpaca in white color.
right?
Yeah.
Correct.
But it doesn't mean that I'm racist. But the brown color.
Yeah,
I like it.
I like it.
So I'm watching Hannah.
Oh, shit. Oh my!
He said one day you'll leave this world behind. So live a life you will remember. My father told me that I was just a child.
These are the lights that never die. My father told me.
Sampai dah. Okay.
Sampai dah. Alright.
Abadi.
Senario. Bestnya pergi Moss Creek. Macam mana? Sini kita punya Moss Creek punya tu.
Dia punya cave besar.
Dia besar. Lepas tu dia punya gelap lah cave dia kan.
Pasal ada garam dan madu.
Ada garam dan madu kan. Lepas tu cave dia tu macam dia ada pintu masuk keluar lah.
Kita masuk dan keluar dan
Dan apa lagi? Dan apa lagi? Sebutkan.
ada jalan.
Ada jalan.
Kami kena jalan 5 meter.
Jalan. Okay, tu next destination kita tak tahu ke mana. So ikutlah, tengoklah macam mana.
Macam kat Melaka. Macam ni kak?
Try one.
Try satu-satu. Ni aku rasa tebal sangat Oh, bukan lah ni.
Bismillah.
Mana leather wood je dah? Yellow box.
Nak. Menarik gila. Kita boleh buat sendiri. Okay, so Azin, what's your feedback?
So basically, out of all honey, I prefer the carrot one.
Oh, the carrot one
Yep, because
You already take like maybe like 3 times.
more than 3.
More than 3. So how about you? Which one the best?
I'm still testing, but I
Oh,
think
still
carrot.
testing. Okay.
Carrot good.
Carrot good. Right. Oh, we have ada lagi 4. Banyak siap.
Right.
For this one, which one you prefer?
I only tested his. His is
Yeah, carrot.
normal.
So guys, so right now we are at Tasmania honey ice cream.
Yeah.
Home of original.
Lighting. Back.
Actually, we just passed by this road and we saw a few people. A lot of people. Yeah, a lot of people actually eating this ice cream. So we just changed our mind. We just directly stopping at this station that I just need to get this.
Dah lah sejuk guys. Makan aiskrim.
Sikit guys, sejuk guys.
Tak apalah. Hair colour Aku tak tahu lah tapi cantik tu rumah ni. Dia colour purple. Cuaca macam gini, makan aiskrim. What a good day. Cantik rumah dia, colour purple. Rasa macam nak beli rumah ni. Oh yeah. Gaduh. Wih. Mukanya cantik dah dia punya pak. Tapi dah nak petang lah. We want the last location on our Launceston trip, so Tasmania trip. Not really like Tasmania, I guess. It's more to like Launceston, Cradle Mountain and Ben Lomond. But hey, it's good though. Hey. Checking out time. So it's the last day of our Tasmania day trip. So anything to say?
So yang kita akan datang lagi.
Tahun depan? Tahun depan.
Dah, tahun depan tak lah.
Nak jadi anak lah.
Aku
Korang lah, korang 2 tahun je kan.
kan?
Korang
Aku
balik
nak
lagi
tahun depan.
Kau nak datang lagi?
Boleh kot.
Depan.
Tapi aku nak pergi belah bawah lah.
Bye.
This is the last day. I'm gonna gonna head back to the airport. Hello everyone. So this is our last day. It's not the last day. It's actually the end of our trip.
That is the end of the
Yeah.
trip.
And as you can see, our flight is scheduled at 9:55.
Yes.
Departure at 9:55.
9:55 from Brisbane to from Launceston.
Yeah, Launceston to Brisbane. So hopefully we have a nice trip from here to Brisbane, our home. And
Hopefully I can get enough sleep in the flight.
yeah, actually I drive a lot here, so I think I need.
Yeah, this is
some
our
rest.
driver.
Thank
A
you.
driver who never like skip driving.
Yeah.
He driving all the way.
I'm taking responsibility of
Very
driving.
good man.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I will like call you Mr. Driver next
Mr.
time.
Driver, no, don't call me that. Okay, so for the last thing is I think thank you so much.
Take-
Thank you so much to everyone who gave us like. Actually, this is kind of memorable trip. I mean, like, yeah, this is my first time I doing like a lot of things,
Yeah.
like playing in snow. That's actually my first time.
Yeah.
And I think this trip is really naturalistic.
Yeah.
Do you have a
Naturalistic.
kind of word?
I mean, like close to the nature.
Yeah,
The one
like
with
it's
nature.
really close to the nature, which is the trip that I really dream of.
Yeah.
Like before this, we go everywhere. We actually just sit in the city. But
Yeah.
this trip is actually we
Like
make it-
adventure. Not too much adventure, but
Yeah, we
still.
make it like a bit different.
Yeah.
We go a lot of places.
Places
Like-
that we can go.
Yeah, like more on nature.
Yeah.
We're doing hiking. We play with snow.
We snowboarding.
We snowboarding.
We did not skiing, but yeah.
But
Later,
yeah,
later.
there's a few places that we actually cannot go.
Yeah,
Just a Great Lake. Since
Yeah,
it's
because
close.
closer, and also we decide not to like pursue into like Hobart.
Yeah,
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time, inshallah.
Inshallah, maybe
we-
with another person, with another people, but still, Tasmania is in our heart. Yeah.
It's really in our heart. But overall, I'm gonna give this release about like 11/10.
Oh.
And I think it's thank you so much.
Yes.
And to everyone who see this vlog, to everyone who's watch this vlog, subscribe, like, and
Aku tak
share.
cakap benda-benda tu.
And
Eh, tak kisah
our
pun.
media, our editor,
Tak kisah apa, tak kisah. Tak kisah. Kita
please hit
Okay.
hit button.
hit the button. Okay,
below.
okay, let's go. Ending very. Ada kata-kata terakhir Irfan daripada
Kata-kata terakhir saya, kemungkinan saya akan datang tapi dengan someone.
Yeah, boy.
Tasmania best tu.
Tasmania best.
Datang
Dia
ke Tasmania guys.
lebih kepada nature lah.
Nature kan, nature kan best tu.
Nature.
Datang guys,
Best
datang.
nature.
Launceston. Paling kita nak tu Hobart lah.
Hobart pula.
Let's go. Tak Bunyi Island.
Tapi saya malah enjoy trip ni. Saya dapat connect dengan nature. With mother nature. Mother nature. So kita nak balik dah geng. Ni tuan yang buat video, ada apa-apa kata-kata akhir?
Kata terakhir saya Tasmania best.
Tasmania best.
Saya sayang Tasmania. Saya nak
Yeah.
repeat.
Nak repeat. Let's go.
Let's see how it goes.
Ada rezeki ada lah.
Rezeki ada.
InsyaAllah.
Ada kan?
Ada. Flight kita.
Cakap dia marah.
Mesti dia marah. Kita nak keluar dah geng.
Habiskan. Aku
Bye bye.